My name is Richard Schott, and I am the independent police auditor here in Fairfax County. The position was created based on a recommendation of the Ad Hoc Police Practices Review Commission. The independent police auditor's mission is to bolster trust between the residents of Fairfax County and the Fairfax County Police Department by providing accountability, fairness, transparency, and trust in the complaint system and investigative process. The independent police auditor also provides an accessible, safe, impartial, and responsive intake venue for complaints against the Fairfax County Police Department and its employees. My responsibilities include: 1. Monitoring and reviewing internal investigations of Fairfax County Police Department officer-involved shootings, in-custody deaths, and use of force cases in which an individual is killed or seriously injured. 2. Monitoring and reviewing administrative investigations of public complaints of use of force. 3. Issuing a public report for each reviewed internal or administrative investigation. 4. Making public recommendations concerning revisions of Fairfax County Police Department policies, training, and practices. And 5. Providing administrative support to the Fairfax County Police Civilian Review Panel and delivering that panel's annual report to the Board of Supervisors. If you have questions, please visit the website. Thank you.
My name is Adrian Steele, and I am the chair of the Police Civilian Review Panel in Fairfax County. The panel was created based on a recommendation of the Ad Hoc Police Practices Review Commission. The panel's mission is to enhance police legitimacy and to build and maintain trust between the residents of the county, the Board of Supervisors, and the Fairfax County Police Department by reviewing certain FCPD investigations to ensure the accuracy, completeness, thoroughness, objectivity, and impartiality of the investigations. The panel's responsibilities include: 1. Upon request of a complainant, reviewing completed administrative investigations of public complaints of abuse of authority or serious misconduct by a FCPD officer. 2. In reviewing completed administrative investigations, holding public meetings to hear from the complainant and to review the investigations and walk through with members of the community how the investigation was conducted, including findings of fact, evidence collected, and witness statements. 3. Holding public meetings on issues within the panel's jurisdiction and on law enforcement policies and practices at which the public is invited to provide comments to assist the panel in considering recommendations for policy and practices changes. And finally, issuing an annual public report describing its activities for the year, including recommendations to the Board of Supervisors, the Auditor, and the Chief of Police for revisions to FCPD policies, training, and practices. More information is available on our website. Thank you.